So hi guys, today we're gonna play with this slime and make ASMR. Let's get started, let's open it up. So here guys, it's light blue, smells pretty good, and let's try the touch. It's really fluffy and nice. Let's test if it passes the poke test. So let's test the poke test. Wow, it's so nice and poke. Let's try the test.
What I just said. I'll prove it. I said it first.
Wow,
Why are you such a copycat? See you on the ramp, witch.
So nice. Let's try to do ASMR, guys. So let's get started. Let's make that swirl. Guys, let's do the ASMR. Oh my god, it is so good. Guys, it's the best slime. Look how stretchy. Yeah, this slime is a 10 out of 10. I love it. Follow my next video to see how I fix slime. Yeah, bye buddies.